Hi, welcome to our channel. Are you still hoping that someone will come up with a wooden kit for your Fellow Ode Brew Grinder? Hope no more, as we have that covered. We have collaborated with PROLOG for this wooden lead and grind dial cap kit in American Black Walnut. Custom made in South Korea with passion and love that enhances the beauty of your Fellow Ode Brew Grinder. It will be a great visual and aesthetic satisfaction if both the Stagg EKG and Ode Brew Grinder in walnut wood side by side on your countertop. The kit is in an elegant box with descriptions that are embossed. Thumbs up for the fine details. Now for the unboxing. Installation guide, grind dial cap, and the lid for the load bin. Indicating line similar to the original dial. Smooth to touch. Underneath is with double-sided tape for attachment purpose. The lid is laser engraved with the word PROLOG ALMA. Underneath is with grind guide similar to the original. Smooth to touch and overall very well made. Now for the installation guide. Rotate the grind dial with the line aligned to number 6 for easy installation. Remove the double-sided tape underneath the dial cap and carefully align both lines. Give a good press. Installation complete. With the wooden dial cap installed, you must be wondering, is it removable to gain access to the burrs for regular maintenance? The answer is yes. Pull out the dial cap. Remove the faceplate and do the rest according to the guide. There you have it. The lid is a direct placement over the load bin. Perfect fit. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching.